Ganiha pa dyan ko nakadaog. Kada maabot og lapas 50, withdraw ring 50. Lagi mga dangan kayo. Kadaog na dayon. Nganon.
Basta ba?
I'm almost done, champ. Rambo is not here na. I want a French. French. Not French. France. French. I told you France. Not French. What is French kiss? I don't know what's French kiss. I don't want French kiss. I don't know what's that. What about Australian kiss? What about Filipino kiss? Justin, do you have any idea about Filipino kiss? Huh? Lagi.
Birthday ate. Birthday lalay.
Down there. Down under. Oh, down. Australian kiss down. Saan daw?
Wala lagi nakakondri ang wifi.
You see that? You see that? Ah, you see that? You see that? Oh, Australian kiss. Pinoy kiss, Pinoy. Filipino kiss. Sosa. Like a ew. It's so ew. What time is it na? Lah, alas city pa man day.
Ma.
Wala pa nga time in.
Ako po. Just wait, guys.
Time in, need to time in. Dong dari lang tao mi.
Lanto me! Windol na ka, Jen? Jen? Windol na ka? Ha? That's a French kiss. French kiss mong noto. Dili pa na to Australian. I don't know what's Filipino kiss. All I know is one kiss of bear. Filipino kiss and French kiss are the same. Really? Filipino kiss like that. I'm back. Where's my kiss? It's done already. Ha?
Ba.
Ayaw ba? Nagkuhan pa kumang, oh!
Charger lang, quiet.
To dito sa, kuhan. My mother is so very ungitan. Oh. Na. It's done already, Rambo. You are late.
Oh, kaon mo.
Kaon ka? Ano ba na?
Nay man ako sa sulo. Butak lagi.
Hawnon.
It's done, Rambo. It's done. You are late. Hello, Mama. French kiss on the cheek. Ah, okay. It's on the cheek. No, I want in. It's bisu. Never late. You are late. You know?
Isaksak.
Sa ilong. Ba't hindi kaya? Now you still Rambo. It wasn't. It's not my fault anymore. It's done. I keep my promise. It's done already.
Ay!
Champ.
Magpila to ispoke ka to pagkuhan niya sa radya, ma'am? 350?
I done my promise. Husband and wife kiss everywhere. Like that? I'm gonna tell mother-in-law. Oh! Tell her. Just tell her all. She ignoring you. Just tell my brother. That's my brother.